Hello guys, I greet you from RBTI Pretoria. Just a quick interesting one. We go to church and the pastor pray for someone that's sick. Lord, I pray heal this person. Matthew in the Bible says, you go heal the sick, chase the demons out. All authority has been given unto me. I now give it unto you. All authority has been given to me, I now give it unto you. I was a minister for many years, prayed for sick people. And if you're honest to yourself today and you think of the general church world, how many people have you met that actually got healed? Whereas if I go to my clinic, Bible says, I'll give you the leaves of the trees as medicine. This is books that carte blanche made of me. That's one book. This is another book of people that said I heal them. The authority that I have, that God gave me as His Son, He says, all authority has been given to me, I now give it unto you. You go heal the sick. And this is what we do in our ranch in Pretoria. We make our own food. We've got our own kettle. We've got a circular economy. We've got a wellness institution where we do colonics, hydro, lymph, plasma, sauna, drip therapies, etc. And we make use of Tibetan plants and African plants. That's why I say I'll give you the leaves of the trees as medicine. Disease is biological in your biological body, but your body exists out of your soul. And a lot of people's soul are tied up with past life trauma and drama. You come from a broken relationship or your partner stole your money. That energy is still caught within you. That hurts the soul subconsciously. And we are only 10% of the day in our subconscious mind. So we need to get to the subconscious mind. So therefore we make use of psychedelic plants. And biologically, we make use of RBTI Dr. Reams. You can Google him, RBTI Dr. Reams. And we look at the biological body, we look at the psychological body. Spiritually, we've got the authority of God within us. I work together with Francois de Toey, the old Kufut from South Africa, motivational speaker. And God given us authority over people's spirit. We've got power over demons and all possession, addictions. So if a patient arrives, we first pray to God to have the authority, to then take authority over demons within people, spiritual possession. Then secondly, there is psychological blockages, people with past life trauma. Then we heal the psychological body, and then biologically we look at the body through RBTI. We know the equation of what health is, and we get that people's bodies back to the way it was before time. Do contact us, 081 44 325 34. 081 44 325 34. RBTI Health and Detox. I greet you.